6. I'm not sure about this one. That's what I have so far. Next, 4. You're trying to know which one is which. So, 24. So first it says which expression is equivalent to 24 plus 32. So I copied them all down. A is 8 times 3 plus 4 in parentheses equals. B is 8 times in parentheses 3 plus 32 equals. C is 6 times in parentheses 4 plus 32 equals. 6 is 4 is in parentheses 4 plus 6 equals 56, 280, 260, and 60. Now the expression is 24 plus 32. It equals 56. So the answer, this also equals 56. So yes, no. Now do you want to check the other ones? Yes, you always want to. The answer is A. And A is 8 times 3 plus 4. Equals 56. No, 5. V equals LWH. V equals 5 times 3.5 times 4.25. V equals 74.375. Answer is 74.375 equals 74 and 3/8 equals C. Now without looking at the answer and the problem itself, just looking at this, what can we conclude? That 5 is the length, 3.5 is 3.5, which is also the width, and 4.25, which is also 4 1/4, is the height. And I conclude that everything like this, all multiplied together, is 74.375. Now, concluding in here, the answer is obviously this, which equals 74 and 3/8 equals C. I wonder what this means. Well, I know that those mean that, so maybe those are set up in the problem. No, I haven't looked at this since 4th hour. So maybe those are set up in the problem. Like fractions equals C. So maybe C, this is the answer. I also think that these are set up in the problem. Maybe. Now, concluding this, now you can learn what you mean. Now you can learn what it is. You can do it backwards. A equals LW. That means that's the length. That means that's the width. That means that's the height. This also means that this is 3.5. This also means that this is 4 1/4. This is just a whole. Is that. And C is the answer. And also they probably set up these and this and fractions in the problem. And C is also this, but this equals this. We can conclude a lot of things that will all help you go backwards with this problem. So you already know the answer. It's very easy once you get it. And I've been teaching you how to get it. So we're going to start to conclude the other ones. Now, 5. Bathtub in the shape of a rectangular prism is 5 feet long. So rectangular prism automatically means LWH. B equals LWH. It's 5 feet long, so 5 is the length. 3.5. Oh my gosh. We were right. 3.5 feet wide. And 4 1/4 feet high. Oh my gosh. We were right again. How much water could the tub hold? Oh my gosh. It's C. And this is how it set it up. Oh my gosh. We're right again. So you can conclude a lot. So the answer is C. Sorry, I didn't realize you couldn't see the math book. So you see we were right, and we were right. So So is that good? Did you guys get it? And we were right. Now 6 equals B. There's no work. 6. The point negative, if you just plot on the axis, the answer is B. Now 7a. V equals LWH. 8, 10 over 10 equals LW. 10 times 10. LW equals 81. Now, what can you conclude from here? This is pretty easy to conclude, but it's not as easy as the other one. And you may be like, no girl, this is not easy. No girl, no girl. But it is. Now, it may not be easy to you, because it wasn't easy to me looking at this thinking, should I conclude this? Should I conclude this? But yes, you should. Because V equals LWH. So what can you conclude from this? Maybe this is the length, width, and height. Wait, so length, width is over here. Now we went to a problem like this. Let me show you what I mean. V equals LWH. Remember when we had V equals and V was a number? So 810 is V. Now look, so LW, so we include this, is H, the height, 10. Now we're going to put our fractions and put 10 under it because it's the one closest to the variables. So cross that off. Now 810, now you put the 10, the letter closest to the variables. And the reason why we do this is because it's the letter closest to the variables. 810 over 10, 810 divided by 10, LW equals 81. Yep. 7b. Draw a net of the box. So we're going to just draw a net of the box. Now, a cardboard box is open at one end and is shaped like a square prism, missing one of its square bases. The volume of the prism is 810 centimeters inches, and its height is 10 inches. Now you're going to be like, oh my god, I don't get this. What? I'm like that right now too. But maybe we can go back and understand it more. I think we can do that, right? So, you see this over here? What is the net? The net would be this on the bottom, and then this over here. So let's draw the net of this in 7b. So that would be this rhombus. On the bottom. Now, we want to make this over here, another rhombus, come out over here, like it's lining up. It's falling over here. So now you're going to erase 7b. Make sure to put 7b over here, though. So this would come up here. Now, this would come up and go to the side. So let's draw that over here too. It's a little tinier because it's from a different angle. So that would come up and wait, it's missing right here. Yes it is. Now if you really wanted to, you could draw the net of this and then erase one side. Doesn't matter. Now let's make sure we're right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top, bottom, left, right, back, front. 6. Wait, we're wrong. Let's erase all these outlines. Maybe we can see it better. So, top, bottom, back, which would be like right here. Front, which would be like right here. left should be this right here. And right. Top, bottom, front, back. So, there you go. So top, bottom, front, back. Let's make a right. Right. No left. Now this all comes up over here. Now we're good. Now, let's fix this. There you go.
No, it didn't even phase me. Amy, I looked at Amy and she's got him and a cat, and she's like, it was just this bloody mess everywhere, and I saw him and I just punched him.
How much cardboard is used for the box? I don't know.
And I jumped on him, grabbed him, pinned him to the ground, laid on him.
Wait, so let's go back to A. So now we're done with 7B. 7C. So we're going to look at 7A and 7C. They're kind of related. They're both numbers out of the 7. How much cardboard is used for the box? Let's look back at the problem. The volume of the prism is 810 cubic inches and its height is 10 inches. So wait, let's draw LWH again. Wait. 180 equals, now does it say the line? Height, 10. So that's all I can do. Thanks for watching.